Hey everyone, I'm David Janssen, and today we're in the Heights to show you this incredible new listing. This home is located at 1061 West 17th Street. It has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, it's located in a gated community, and priced at just $550,000. If you want to see this home, learn more about the area, or have questions about the real estate market, feel free to reach out to us. We have people just like you reaching out to us every single week to help them make their next move, whether it's buying, selling, or relocating to Houston. Let's chat about your specific needs. You can reach me directly at 281-610-6826 or through any of the contact methods listed down in the description. We're excited to help make your next move as smooth as possible. Now, let's check out this home. This home is 3 stories, and you'll find these gorgeous wood floors on each level. On the first floor, you have this bedroom that can easily be used as a home office with its own ensuite bathroom. If you're thinking about moving to Houston, the Heights is one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in the city. From charming historic homes, modern new builds, and a vibrant mix of local shops and restaurants, the Heights has it all. With scenic trails and parks, it's perfect for outdoor lovers and anyone who wants a walkable lifestyle. From craft breweries to top-rated restaurants, the social scene here is unmatched. If you're looking for a neighborhood with character, convenience, and a sense of community, the Heights is for you. Now here on the second floor, you'll find your main living space, which includes this gorgeous open concept kitchen with both stone and quartz countertops. Up on the third floor, you'll find the primary owner's retreat along with a secondary bathroom with an ensuite bath. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and enjoy the rest of the tour.